How would you explain Next Billion to a 12-year-old? We still struggle, as I said, to explain what we do even to my parents. They don't understand exactly what we're doing. Hey guys, I'm Ajay Bulusu. I'm one of the co-founders of NextBillion.ai, and I'm here to answer 6 questions. So why the name Next Billion? When we started the company, we thought that we will do enterprise mapping platform for the next billion users because that's where the underserved market was. But what we quickly understood throughout the evolution of our company last 2 years is this is a pretty global problem. Historically, people started mapping with the thesis that one map will build and serve it to everyone. So when we started Next Billion, we thought, okay, let's serve the next billion users. So it's a great resonating name for it. But then now we've quickly understood that it is a all billion problem. It's just not the next billion. What was the most valuable experience you gained at your past stints at Google and Grab? Being in the India offices here and also the California Mountain View offices, we worked with some of the smartest people on the planet that you would ever imagine. Taught a lot of humility that however good you are not as good as what many other people are. When I came to Grab, they put me on a team that was extremely new. We had to figure a lot of things out on our own. Being there taught me at least how to be a leader, not a manager, how to manage people that are dispersed across nations, cultures, yet keep them closely knit. How would you explain Next Billion to a 12-year-old? We still struggle, as I said, to explain what we do even to my parents. They don't understand exactly what we're doing. You have to move every day or things move to you. There's food that comes in, groceries, or you take a cab and you go out, or you want to go and travel somewhere. And so for all sorts of movement, maps are extremely important, because if your maps are bad, then the time taken for you to move or the time taken for certain thing like a sneaker or e-commerce parcel to come to you is going to be wrong. Our company helps you have good maps. That's essentially how I would explain it to a 12-year-old. Biggest challenge being a tech founder. The biggest challenge, at least for enterprise companies like ours, is just to solve the right problem at the right time for the right company. It's very difficult when you have three variables. As a startup tech founder, you can solve many problems. Even if you're doing, let's say, a heavily verticalized system like Maps, within Maps, you can solve 25 problems. So what do you solve and how do you dedicate your resources? Because most startups are always short on resources, and not money. When I say resources, people. Many times we've built something that really nobody's used, and then we are like, oh my God, we wasted 3 months on this. So prioritization is the number one challenge for any tech co-founder. Best advice for budding tech entrepreneurs. The best advice is to start when you're ready. Do not start because everyone is starting. I have, I think, given this advice to at least 100 people till now. Start if you have two things. One is if the problem you're solving you deeply care about and you really know how to solve it. And two is if you have the right co-founding team. You can't be a lone wolf. You can only be a pack. As an entrepreneur, you go through ups and downs too much. And the only people you can really bank on is your co-founders. It's a very lonely journey otherwise. You really need to have the team you trust, people you like you're working with. Looking back, would you have done anything differently for Next Billion? I think looking back for any startup, if they say I would have done nothing differently, they're lying. I think first would have been focus. We were spread too broad. First 6 months to 9 months, I think, instead of focusing on technical integrations and components and partnerships and how do we get this data, we were trying to see how do we start using people's own data. That became so complicated because there is obviously privacy concerns. They want to share, but they can't share. Technical concerns. So I feel we wasted a lot of the time. Just say, okay, we are really good at this. We want to solve this one technical problem really well and try to sell the technical problem, then move on to the next one. But again, it's better to realize sooner than later, and we are on the right track now. Hi, everyone. That was 6 questions with me. I'm Ajay Bulusu, the co-founder of NextBillion.ai. Thank you for watching.